termination is not a easy thing. Immediately, no one can
Because you are
terminate
biased, how can it be easy?
without the permanent documents. Okay, you have not
You
submitted
are biased, sir.
any document against the registrar or deputy registrar.
Bias!
VC
Bias!
VC
Bias!
VC
Bias!
VC
You have not submitted any document. If the registrar is already involved in this forgery, deputy registrar is involved in this forgery.
VC
That one is
Bias!
suspended, not terminated.
Bias!
Have you any paper?
Bias!
Do you have any paper?
Bias!
So my humble request to
Sir, our humble request. Sir, you listen our humble request. Our humble request is that before 5th of next month, sir, you kindly remove registrar, deputy registrar, and all those other officials that you have appointed illegally, and as well as the same time appoint pro vice chancellor for both the campuses, Nehu Shillong and Nehu Tura, sir. That's it, sir.
on website.
Registrar!
You
Down, down!
Registrar!
Down, down!
VC!
Down, down!
VC!
Down, down!
VC!
Down, down!
Registrar!
Down, down!
DR!
Down, down!
As of now, we came with just two. We came with just.
Okay.
We just
You
came
can-
with two
you
demands,
can-
sir.
you
It
can
should be fulfilled by Monday midnight. That's it, sir.
VC! Down, down! VC! Down, down!
Register.
Down, down!
Register.
Down, down!
And we will only meet until you complete our demands, sir. That's it, sir.
They
We
can-
will
No,
have a third-
VC!
No excuse!
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 That's it, sir. We will meet on Tuesday.
Appointment and termination both are not a easy process. Okay?
That's why you waited.
Our-
That's why you waited 2 years for DR. That's why you waited 2 years for DR
Constitution
experience.
already given the right to each and everyone.
And that's why, sir, you are appointing persons who have already retired, and then you are
Yes,
violating the constitution.
Not violate the constitution.
You are violating, sir. You are
can
violating.
read the rules, no. You can see the rules, no.
VC!
Government
VC!
Ignorance!
VC!
Ignorance!
VC!
Ignorance!
VC!
Ignorance!
VC!
No excuse!
VC!
No excuse!
VC!
No excuse!
VC!
No excuse!
We will send
Constitute
the
the
memorandum
inquiry
to you,
committee.
sir, on the 10th of
Inquiry
September. What
committee,
did you do
and
about the
that letter
memorandum?
has been already written to the government, not only the President of India, Prime Minister Office also, NCST Commission also. Okay? And has been already published in the paper. I am waiting the paper. Accordingly, I will constitute an inquiry committee, or government can also constitute a inquiry committee.
What about the
Why?
memorandum
Maybe
sent on September, sir?
I may be biased at the time of
Excuse, sir,
selection.
excuse.
But
Sir.
government can...
You are biased! You are biased! Biased!
You are biased.
Biased!
VC!
Biased!
VC!
Registrar!
Down, down!
Registrar!
Down, down!
Registrar!
Down, down!
DR!
Down, down!
DR!
Down, down!
DR!
Down, down!
VC!
Come up!
VC!
Come up!
VC!
I am already ready to face the inquiry committee. I already told in papers, I am ready to face the inquiry committee. All the things have been done as per the rules and regulations.
What about Rohit Prasad?
What about Rohit Prasad? Who was Rohit Prasad, sir?
Wait, Rohit Prasad, what already happened after...
VC!
No,
Down, down!
VC!
Down, down!
VC!
Down, down!
VC!
Down, down!
VC!
Nakaliang gajungi ila thok kwe kashtin hakaba un thapen her skino yone u registrar ba kumju u deputy registrar ba kumju ru ngila lap dan so ala itli gi pos bola ba ulas tung da kamon la dia kata di tong bangila syambat ngila lap ngi dei kidong bun ba kita ki ki puas lani kita ki ki benta bikin jo bikin ye try ki nong kai lani ki nong teaching staff te nakaliang ka jongi nang budin so ki puas but ke ga ba UVC ulale don bor ye kan university kawai ni kwan ai ka kurbo ko basai udu ben sotu ba kane kamde ka ashram ne kanunu kata ka jaka ba unchuan ra ita ki brio na bar unchuan thung kum kita ki registra ne DR kat kaman ko uka mau ti nakaliang ka jongi mentas ni ilaiwan lang hajing dan dekat juga KSU ni huinen bat kani husu bat kumjuru kini ki kena jong kani ka school ba ni hu bangin je dawan ban pha terminate no yu hapok steo lam komta ka singi ka baar in system na ka jong ka sinjam nakaliang ka jongi ti kawai kwa ai ka kurwa ka basai ba ude ban sautu udan hakani ka jalla jungi but udiban ai preference gibriu gi jungi amba uchuan le don bor na di wana kita gibriu ni gi jalla ni gi wi gi jalla pat ti kumtahi na kaliang jungi hinang nye budin kibun kita ki aka ba ulale selendat ngim semlap yo ngim semlalap lut borok kita ti nang budin hadin ngin saya update pak ga singi ka ba kalam hunjuk terik kumabila ini new COE hakpor arjar khatkanai bala thung itu COE ba hasu ko bawan shwaban wan uni yuta shwaban put katam ulari taya hakba la thung yang u kum director jong CDC hande ke i jong karta jong am sham lalang shu ki bon ki professor bon ki briu ki bede ki jet bendi ki jungi ki ba kila ki don hok bikin jo mdak kum ta pos ndai uni UVC ulale don bor but ula iPad kum YouTube briu bala cross ki kata ke i but kumjuru habidi new registrar habani kong hi borok nitep ya kata balatung u kum in charge jong COE hadin kataru ula sange katukan ni por hadin latung u kum registrar juga ni university but kumjuru kum nitep ip habidi bukan ni post DR house name arjar of war por pelat ikan ikan advertisement hagdo por uni UDR bade menta wan hakarang ka sispa sopun riu hakaba umpat dan experience te umpat dan kono ka proper qualification hakto ka hakaba sam arjar afsau por wan uni registrar ungkar hakaba ki scrap no ikatu advertisement kabarem ni penmi ki release pat ka fresh advertisement hangta uni UDR ulalong balong kompeten do bawan bading kong do kata ka jigli kumno uni vice chancellor uang bo ya kata ain kondon ndai uya penban pencat clear jika jing penyat ka functionality jong kani university buat kumjuru habire baik kini gi in charge jong guest house but kiwe de upasang bantung hi di kibriu gi jong u kumno habadan kita sang sang pusu bahwa haptung kita in charge perkat professor obashim kelas u habando kita ki kelas but u haban in charge jong administration ti kumno ka kata university kan function hagaba uni vc wa wanda lu kita kinong kai ke ba imon ma u wanda an bon ni administration kini so tu ti kawairu kalong bang nang nis kemat ngimnom ailat chu kata kalong ka basai nagaliang gajungi bat kunjuk ke KSU ni huinen sgi ni kong ngilabo kata ka deadline ka ba sgi baar insapet la do ula bentung kita beri koman jumu beli umla pat benbe yu tau advisor ha ka ba usnam balale ula stung ni koman suba ka ba usyam kata tulap na kapsa juga university handai dengilit demand kanu ke demand kanu isu nagaliang gajungi om dan bisa kata university kumno pat ula ben siu tulap kita beri bo khat hinaba kata kawai kalau ke benta bang haban sotu bau ni ulet don bor haduk sikat dia takram nakal yang kejungi ru ngila thok ngila pen krek tak sti agabang ngila kwa kunduk syai tas ni ke jing jubak nakal yang jungu ngila yok ngau bat ngin pa nok gini sti nang ni skmat bat ngin bo kata deadline bagan debe skini kong kata di ke santaring November hangta ke singi baal ada umla benlek kanu ka ke basiswa nakal yang kejungi ngin hapsim bet ko ke sinjam